Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the PW app is updated and you are signed into the correct account. This matters because schedules are account-specific. Once done, grant calendar and notification permissions so schedule items can sync to your device. This avoids missed updates. Next, open the app and tap the bottom navigation icon labeled Schedule or Tests. This first actionable step loads your personalized test list. Make sure you have your course code or student ID handy. If the app, you now refine the results so you only see relevant entries. Tap Tests, then press the filter icon. This is where precision matters. Once done, select the date range and test type, for example upcoming only, and choose specific courses. This reduces noise. If there are many entries, you search with the course code or instructor name to jump straight to the right schedule. Make sure to apply the filters. Unapplied filters look like changes, but won't affect the list until confirmed. You finish by syncing and confirming details so there's no last-minute surprise. Tap Sync or pull down to refresh, then open a test entry and verify date, time, room, and allowed materials. Once done, add the test to your device calendar or set an alert within the app to receive reminders. If a scheduled test is missing, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, and rerun sync. If that fails, contact support with your course code for a server-side check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.